All Red Travel presents Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway at Disneyland Park. Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway is full of nods to Disney history. It will likely take multiple rides through the attraction to spot them all. Examples include: sharp-eyed guests may notice that posters in the El Capitan Theatre's foyer include cameos by rarely seen Disney characters, including Mortimer Mouse, Donald Duck's co-stars in DuckTales, Minnie Mouse's nieces, Mickey Mouse's nephews and Max Goof's classmates in A Goofy Movie. The concession stand's condiment pumps are branded Begorra Orchards, a reference to Patrick Begorra, the storied little man of Disneyland, who, according to the 1955 Little Golden Book of that name, lived in an orange orchard on the land that Disneyland Park now sits on, and who now lives in the roots of a Disneyland tree. Popcorn in the El Capitan Theatre's concession stand is shaped like Mickey, Minnie and Donald. The candy includes nods to favorite cartoons ranging from The Silly Symphony, The Grasshopper and the Ants, to cult classic, A Goofy Movie. A newspaper features the headline, "Oswald Wins," a reference to Oswald the Lucky Rabbit, the cartoon character created by Walt Disney that predates Mickey Mouse. The Iwerks and Awerks Waterworks water treatment plant is named for Disney legend Ub Iwerks, the animator credited with sketching Mickey Mouse for the first time. The 1401 Flower Shop is an homage to Walt Disney Imagineering's headquarters in Glendale, Calif. The numbers 1901 and 1928 can be seen inside the attraction. These are references to Walt Disney's and Mickey Mouse's birth years, respectively. A poster in the carnival scene references 5 for a dime tickets, a nod to the former Mickey's Toontown 5 and dime shop.
Get strong.